What's up, future entrepreneurs? If you're watching this video right now, I know one thing about you for sure. You're a fan of good TV. Whether it's Power, The Office, Game of Thrones, Stranger Things, or Martin, we all have a favorite show that we quote, debate, or binge over and over again. But here's a question. What if you could turn that obsession into income? Yeah, I'm serious. You can make money from your favorite TV show, even if you don't own the rights, even if you're not an actor or producer, even if you're just watching from your couch. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how to do it, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create content, build an audience, sell products, and make your fandom profitable. Let's get into it. Step 1. Pick your show and your angle first. Pick one show that you're deeply familiar with. It doesn't have to be current. It could be Breaking Bad, BMF, Love and Hip Hop, or even SpongeBob, as long as it has a fan base and cultural relevance. Then choose your angle. Are you going to post funny clips and memes, break down episode plots and theories, focus on fashion or relationships within the show, or cover behind the scenes and cast updates? That's your hook. That's how you stand out. Step 2. Start a fan page on social media. Now that you picked your angle, it's time to start posting. You can start a TikTok page, Instagram meme page, Facebook reel page, or a full-blown YouTube channel. Just post consistent, high-engagement content, clips, edits, voiceovers, duets, reaction videos, etc. If you're using actual show footage, be mindful of copyright. Try using short clips, your own voiceovers, or edited formats. Facebook and TikTok are more lenient than YouTube, so build an audience there first and link out to other offers. Step 3. Monetize with content first. Once your content starts popping, you can turn views into money with Facebook and YouTube monetization, TikTok Creator Fund, or direct brand deals, shoutouts and promotions on your page, affiliate links in the comments or bio. Let's say you have a Stranger Things fan page with 50,000 followers. You can post a viral video, then drop an affiliate link to a Stranger Things inspired hoodie or digital wallpaper pack. Every click can earn you cash. Step 4. Sell fan-inspired products without getting sued. You can't use copyrighted logos, names, or images, but you can sell fan-inspired merch, digital downloads, and products that are inspired by the show's vibe or culture. Ideas, t-shirts with quotes or memes like "You ain't got no job, Tommy," AI-generated art of characters in funny situations, digital planners themed like the show, unofficial guides or ebooks, reaction emojis, or sticker packs. Use platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, Gumroad, Shopify. These products can sell 24/7 while you sleep. Step 5. Create long-form content for passive income. If you're willing to go a little deeper, start a YouTube channel or podcast where you react to each episode, break down fan theories, rank characters or seasons, talk about the impact of the show on culture. This can lead to ad revenue, paid memberships, sponsorship deals, and even interviews with cast or superfans. Think of it as being the voice of the fan community, the person they go to every week for breakdowns and laughs. Step 6. Build your email list or community. Once you have consistent content and a product to sell, build your email list or Discord server. Why? Because platforms change, algorithms shift, but when you own your audience, you can sell directly, promote anything, and build long-term income, not just trend-chasing views. Offer something free like a top 10 funniest moments PDF or a which character are you quiz to get people on your list. Step 7. Expand to multiple shows or spin-offs. Once you've built success with one show, do it again. Start a second page for a similar show, or build a network of fandom content. Hire someone to help you post or edit. This is how you go from fan to business owner. Some people are literally making $5,000 to $20,000 a month running fan accounts that started as a hobby. Here's what you need to do right now. Pick your favorite show and choose your niche angle. Start a TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook page around that show. Post short clips, funny edits, or commentary. Daily monetize through content, affiliate links, and digital products. Avoid copyright by making content transformative or inspired. Expand to podcasts, long-form videos, or merch. Build an audience you own, not rent. You already love the show. You already know every episode. Why not make it pay you? Stop watching from the sidelines. Create something, post it today, and turn that fandom into financial freedom. Now go get it.